Today I'm diving into something truly exciting. 9 passive income ideas that have personally helped me generate up to $27,000 per week. Whether you're looking to boost your income streams or achieve financial freedom, stick around as I share practical strategies and insights to get you started on your path to passive income success. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Selling digital products. Selling digital products like books or apps. This involves creating a product once and selling it repeatedly. Starting difficulty is moderate, about 3 stars, as you need to identify a marketable idea and produce high-quality content. Making $100 a month requires effective marketing and solving a specific problem for your audience. Maintenance is minimal once the product is launched, making it a scalable passive income option. Number 2. Selling stock photography. Selling stock photography. It's a straightforward way to earn passive income by licensing your photos to websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. The starting difficulty is low, about 2 out of 5 stars. You simply need a good camera and an eye for captivating images. However, making $100 a month might require a sizable portfolio and understanding what sells best. Maintenance is minimal once your photos are uploaded, making it a great option for passive earners. Number 3. Building an app or website SaaS. Building a software as a service SaaS product. This involves creating an app or website that offers a subscription-based service. Starting difficulty is the highest, rated at 5 stars, due to technical skills required for development and market competition. Earning $100 a month requires attracting and retaining paying users. Maintenance involves regular updates and customer support, but can provide substantial recurring income once established. Number 4. Investing in stocks. Investing in stocks. This method involves buying shares in companies through platforms like Robinhood or e*TRADE. Starting difficulty is rated at 3 stars, as it requires financial knowledge and risk management. To earn $100 a month, you'll need to build a diversified portfolio and monitor market trends. Maintenance involves regular monitoring, but can lead to significant returns over time. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products and earning a commission on sales through affiliate links. Starting difficulty is low, at 2 stars, with platforms like Amazon Associates offering easy sign-up. To make $100 a month, you'll need to attract visitors to your links and convert them into buyers. It's achievable with targeted content and an engaged audience. Maintenance involves regular content updates and tracking conversions. Number 6. Selling online courses. Moving on to selling online courses. This involves creating educational content in video format. Starting difficulty is rated at 2 stars, as platforms like Skillshare simplify course creation and distribution. Earning $100 a month can be achieved through high watch time or direct sales. It requires creating valuable content and promoting your courses effectively. Maintenance involves occasional updates and engagement with students. Number 7. Building a membership community. Building a membership community. This involves offering exclusive content or services for a recurring fee. Starting difficulty is low, at 1 star, with platforms like Patreon facilitating easy setup. Earning $100 a month requires ongoing value creation and community engagement. Maintenance involves regular updates and member interaction, but can provide stable recurring income with the right approach. Number 8. Automating a business. Automating a business. This involves creating a business that can operate with minimal intervention, such as an e-commerce store or service agency. Starting difficulty is high, around 4 stars, due to initial setup and operational challenges. Earning $100 a month involves automating processes and outsourcing tasks effectively. Maintenance requires monitoring and occasional adjustments, but can lead to significant passive income over time. Number 9. Real estate investment. Moving on to real estate investment, this classic method involves buying property to rent or sell. Starting difficulty is high, around 4 stars, due to the initial capital and legal considerations involved. Earning $100 a month requires finding reliable tenants or buyers and managing property upkeep. Maintenance varies, but can be outsourced with property management services for a more passive income stream. Each of these 9 methods offers unique opportunities for generating passive income online. Whether you're interested in photography, investing, digital products, or creating software, there's a path that suits your skills and ambitions. Start small, focus on providing value, and scale your efforts over time to build a sustainable passive income stream. I hope you found these passive income ideas valuable and inspiring. Remember, the key to success lies in taking action. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your income grow. For more tips on starting your journey, check out our related videos and resources. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.